Welcome the our channel. Today we how to register with IRS Direct Pay for payment setup, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin registering with IRS Direct Pay, open your web browser. Navigate to the official IRS Direct Pay website. Once the page loads, locate the Make a Payment option. Click on the Make a Payment button to proceed. You will then be directed to a new page. Select the type of payment you wish to make. For most users, this will be tax payment. After selecting, click on Continue. Now, read the information provided on the next screen carefully. Verify that you understand the terms and conditions presented. Click on the Continue button to accept the terms. Next, you will be prompted to enter your personal information. Fill in your name as it appears on your tax return. Input your social security number or individual taxpayer identification number. Provide your email address for confirmation purposes. Enter the amount you wish to pay. Now, choose your payment date. You can select either today or a future date within the allowed time frame. Click on Continue to proceed with your payment information. At this point, you will need to provide your bank account details. Input your bank's routing number accurately. Enter your bank account number as well. Select whether your account is a checking or savings account. Review all the information you have entered for accuracy. If everything looks correct, click Continue. You will be taken to a confirmation page. Review your payment details one last time before proceeding. Click Submit to finalize the registration with IRS Direct Pay. A confirmation message will appear on your screen. Be sure to print or save this confirmation for your records. You will also receive an email confirmation shortly afterward. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.